The National Forest Foundation believes that forests are important to everyone. We've planted over 20 million trees. We've worked on miles and miles of trails. We are a conservation organization that works on wildlife habitat and forestry issues across 193 million acres of national forest system.
The National Forest Foundation has been growing as the needs of our national forests have been growing, and our technology has not kept up.
Microsoft is helping the National Forest Foundation solve so many problems that we've had with our antiquated systems, and will help us become more efficient with our donor dollars so we can get more of those important resources on the ground.
We work in all different national forests and grasslands, and the Microsoft Cloud for Nonprofit model allows us to connect wherever we are to get our work done. Microsoft is the only company that offered comprehensive technology solutions to connect our teams, to manage our file system, and to get our work done on the ground from anywhere in the country. Threshold is our technology implementation partner who is bringing these Microsoft solutions to us.
With Microsoft's fundraising and engagement tools, we're able to track each dollar that funders give us and turn it into on-the-ground accomplishments and then report back to that donor.
Being able to at a glance see how many trees we planted on the ground, how many acres of watershed we've restored, or how much trail work we've done in a specific national forest is a game changer.
These Microsoft systems help us be more effective with our donors, with the public, and with our mission. We at the National Forest Foundation have a positive impact on the planet through the work that we do. There is so much at stake. Forests provide clean air, they provide clean water.
Our national forests are such a treasure. Microsoft Cloud for Nonprofit is going to help the National Forest Foundation grow and continue to grow into the future.